Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Kepada yang terhormat Bapak Ibu dosen penguji ujian kinerja, perkenalkan nama saya Lailatus Salamah dengan NIM X95250800369. Mahasiswa PPG Guru Tertentu tahap 1 tahun 2025, program studi pendidikan bahasa Inggris di LPTK Universitas 11 Maret. Pada hari ini saya akan melaksanakan praktik pembelajaran dalam rangka penilaian uji kinerja di SMP Plus Al-Anwariyah dengan materi self introduction. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
How are you today?
I'm fine.
Okay, I'm fine too, thank you. Now, before start our study, we must pray together. Aziza, please lead your friend to pray.
Before start our study, let's pray together. Begin.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Raditu billahi rabba wa bil islami dina wa bi Muhammadin nabiyyan wa rasulah. Rabbi zidna ilman nafi'an warzuqna fahma. Qala rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli bi rahmatika ya arhamar rahimin. Okay, thank you. Okay, now I will check your attendance first. If I call your name, you must present or yes I am, and then don't forget to raise your hand. Okay, Aziza.
Yes, I am.
Ainaya Faida Azmi.
Yes, I am.
Dewi Humairah.
Present.
Eva Angelina.
Yes, I am.
Eva Aniro.
Yes, I am.
Halwa Aisyah Rahma.
Yes, I am.
Hilwatun Nisa.
Yes, I am.
Melin Melani.
Yes, I am.
Nadiatus Soliha.
Yes, I am.
Okay. Najwa Sakira.
Yes, I am.
Naila Lailatus Syarifah.
Present.
Nur Laila.
Yes, I am.
Okay. Nazma Nur Fitri.
Yes, I am.
Siti Nur Aisyah.
Present.
Okay. And Zahra Aulia Ardila.
Yes, I am.
Okay. Now we will sing the national song Garuda Pancasila. Now you must stand up, please. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Garuda Pancasila, akulah pendukungmu, patriot proklamasi, sedia berkorban untukmu. Pancasila dasar negara, rakyat adil makmur sentosa, pribadi bangsaku. Ayo maju, maju, ayo maju, maju, ayo maju, maju. Okay, sit down please. Duduk kembali. Okay. Now, before we learn the material, I will remember you. We learn materi about in the last week. Tentang apa? Kita minggu kemarin belajarnya tentang apa? Greeting and life taking. Oke, masih ingat nggak? What give me some example about greeting? Siapa yang bisa? Ada yang bisa? Masih ingat? Oke, contohnya apa aja?
Good morning.
Oke. Loudly please, suaranya lebih kencang.
Good morning. Good afternoon.
Oke.
Good evening. And good night.
Oke, good. Benar? Benar ya? Yes. And then give me some example about left taking.
Yes, miss.
Oke.
Bye. Goodbye. See you.
Okay, bye, goodbye, and see you. Okay, now we will learn about self-introduction. Tujuan pembelajaran hari ini adalah kalian dapat mengidentifikasi informasi apa saja yang harus kita ucapkan pada saat memperkenalkan diri sendiri. Dan manfaatnya kalian bisa memperkenalkan diri sendiri menggunakan bahasa Inggris dengan baik dan benar. Oke. Kira-kira self-introduction, kalimat atau kalimat apa saja yang biasanya atau informasi apa saja that usually used when we introduce yourself. Oke, apa aja biasanya?
Name.
Oke, name, old, address. Oke, biasanya kita bisa memakai name ya, informasi yang dibutuhkan itu nama, kemudian old, umur, address. Oke, ada lagi? Anyone else? Hobi termasuk? Oke, hobi ya. And then before we continue our lesson, I have some ice breaking. Okay, the ice breaking is clap the best. Ya, ice breakingnya namanya clap the best. If I say clap the best, repeat after me. Okay, ikuti setelah saya. Clap the best. I am the best. You are the best. We are the best. I am the best. You are the best. We are the best. Yes, yes. Oke, once more. Satu kali lagi ya. Ya, ingat? Oke. I am the best. You are the best. We are the best. I am the best. You are the best. We are the best. Yes, yes. Oke. Clap the best. I am the best. You are the best. We are the best. I am the best. You are the best. We are the best. Yes, yes. Okay, good. Okay. Now, let's open your worksheet. Worksheet 1.1 dibuka. Worksheet 1.1. Nah, sudah? Oke. Di situ kalian harus menuliskan informasi apa saja that usually used when self-introduction. Jadi informasi apa saja yang biasanya digunakan pada saat perkenalan diri. Ada contohnya, satu, name. Oke, lanjut, apalagi biasanya? Address. Oke, now let's write on your worksheet. Sekarang ditulis di worksheet masing-masing. Name, and then address, and then old. Ya, sini. Old, address, name, and then oke. Name, apalagi? Coba apa saja? Name, hanya jawaban simple. Name, address, old, and then lanjutin ya, semuanya ada 7 informasi. Kira-kira apa saja yang biasa digunakan atau sering digunakan pada saat perkenalan? Nyebutin apa aja sih gitu. Coba ya. Oke. name, and then old, umur ya. Biasanya umur digunakan pada saat perkenalan. And then address, hobi, school, ya, sekolahnya di mana? Tulis di situ. Oke, good job. Oke. Origin itu asal. Sibling, saudara. Oke. Address, alamat. Finish or not yet? Finish or not yet?
Not yet.
Okay, continue your worksheet. Lanjutin lagi. Okay, betul. Age and then ya, sibling. Once more. Satu lagi informasinya. 7 kira-kira apa aja? Oke. Ya. Finish or not yet? Sudah apa belum? You only write the simple. For example, name. Tidak usah diisi namanya siapa. And name and then age or old ya. Origin, address, and then hobby, school. Finish or not yet? Okay. Okay. Dewi, please. Apa aja informasi yang harus digunakan pada saat perkenalan? Coba Dewi. Oke, name and then origin, age, school, siblings, hobby. Oke, good job. Now I will I have the audio. This is about Galang introduction. Jadi nanti ada audio perkenalan dari Galang. Okay. And now you must open the worksheet comic strip, comic strip 1.1. Jadi buka di comic strip session 2 listening 1.1. Sudah? Comic strip, oke. Ya. Ini ya. Comic strip 1.1 1.1. Oke.
Listening section. Listen audio 1.1.
The boy is introducing himself. Hi, my name's Galang. I'm from Kalimantan. I live on Jalan Sumatera. I'm 13 years old. I go to SMP Merdeka. I like fishing. And I have 2 sisters.
Oke. Jelas? Audionya terdengar jelas? Oke. I will play again. Saya akan memutarnya lagi ya. And you can read the text comic strip. Jadi sambil audionya diputar, sambil dibaca di comic stripnya, ya. Oke, I will play again.
Listening section. Listen audio 1.1.
A boy is introducing himself. Hi, my name's Galang. I'm from Kalimantan. I live on Jalan Sumatera. I'm 13 years old. I go to SMP Merdeka. I like fishing. And I have 2 sisters.
Oke. Tadi yang perkenalan namanya siapa? Galang. Apakah Galang dari Bali? Dari mana Galang? Kalimantan. And then apakah Galang sekolahnya di SMP Merdeka? Yes. And then what the old of Galang? Umurnya berapa? 13 years old. Okay. And Galang have many siblings. 2 sisters. Punya berapa siblingsnya? 2 sister. Berarti perempuan apa laki-laki tuh? Perempuan. Oke, good. Benar ya? Oke. Coba kita tadi udah listening ya. Coba sekarang reading. Jadi repeat after me. Setelah saya baca nanti diikuti. Oke. Hi, my name is Galang. I am from Kalimantan. I live on Jalan Sumatera. I am 13 years old. I go to SMP Merdeka. I like fishing. And I have 2 sisters. Okay, good. Bisa semua ya bacanya. Anyone to show in front of the class? Ada yang berani baca skrip tadi di depan? Yuk. Anyone? Raise your hand. Hilwa. Okay, Hilwa please. Boleh di bawah skripnya. Dari sini. Oke. Geser. Biar nggak kena ya. Oke.
Hi, my name is Galang.
Oke.
I'm from Kalimantan. I live on Jalan Sumatera. I'm 13 years old. I go to SMP Merdeka. I like fishing, and I have 2 sisters.
Oke, good. Give applause for Hilwa. Good job, Hilwa. Anyone else? Ada lagi yang mau coba? Oke, ada lagi? Oke, Dewi, please. Speak loudly. Lebih kencang.
Hi, my name is Galang.
Oke.
I'm from Kalimantan. I live on Jalan Sumatera. I'm 13 years old. I go to SMP Merdeka. I like fishing and I have 2 sisters.
Oke, good, Dewi. Give applause for Dewi. Okay. Next. Okay. Please open worksheet 1.2. Buka lagi worksheetnya. Worksheet 1.2. Betul. I will play again the audio and then You must identify the information that you have from the audio. Jadi nanti saya putar lagi audionya. Nanti kalian dicatat. For example, this is name Galang, and then origin. Originnya belum diisi nih. Nanti diisi dari mendengarkan audio. Okay. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay. Ya, jadi sambil diisi. Misalnya my name is Galang. Oh, berarti namanya Galang. Jadi name-nya diisi Galang. And then I'm from dari mana? Kalimantan. Berarti originnya ditulis Kalimantan. Oke, diisi ya. Ya. You write on your worksheet, ditulis di worksheet masing-masing.
Listening section. Listen audio 1.1.
The boy is introducing himself. Hi, my name's Galang. I'm from Kalimantan. I live on Jalan Sumatera. I'm 13 years old. I go to SMP Merdeka. I like fishing. And I have 2 sisters.
Oke. Ya. Silakan diisi sesuai audio tadi. Namanya siapa? Schoolnya di mana? Where is Galang school? Galang sekolahnya di mana? And then what is the Galang's hobby? Hobi Galang itu apa? Ditulis semua di worksheet 1.2. Okay. You can discuss with your group. Jadi bisa diskusi dengan grupnya. Barangkali tadi kelewat, kedengerannya apa? Boleh. You can discuss with your group. Nah, ini ya. Jadi diisi nih. Nah, dari awal tuh Galang, name Galang. Originnya dari mana? Dari mana Galang? Kalimantan. You can write Kalimantan. Age, tulis. Terus sampai address. Address on Jalan Sumatera. And the differences of origin and address is origin more simple. Jadi kalau asal tuh cuma simple. Jadi kalau address tuh more complex, lebih lengkap. Finish or not yet?
Not yet.
Okay. Finish or not yet? Finish. Okay. Nur Laila. Okay. Where is Galang School? Galang sekolah di mana?
SMP Merdeka.
Okay, good. And then Laila.
Yes, Miss.
Okay, what is the Galang's hobby?
The girl's hobby is fishing.
Okay, good. Next, before we do the worksheet, I have some ice breaking again, ya, warming up. Ice breaking is banana dance. Okay, nama ice breakingnya banana dance. Okay, please stand up, berdiri semua. Okay, berdiri. Okay. If I say banana dance, banana. Oke.
Miss.
Oke. Mulai ya. 1, 2, 3. Banana dance. Banana, 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 banana. Peel, banana, peel, peel, banana. Cut, banana, cut, cut, banana. Eat, banana, eat, banana. Shake, banana, shake, shake, banana. Boom, banana, boom, boom, banana. Oke. Once more. Satu kali lagi.
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
More spirit, lebih semangat. Banana dance. Banana, 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 banana. Peel, banana, peel, peel, banana. Cut, banana, cut, cut. Oke. Eat, banana, eat, banana. Shake, banana, shake, shake, banana. Boom, banana, boom, boom, banana. Oke. Sit down, please. Okay. Now, you must open the worksheet 1.4. Ya, 1.4. Sorry, worksheet 1.3. Ya. 1.3. Nah, yang gambarnya kayak gini, sudah? Ya. And then you must write your identities. Jadi kalian harus menulis identitas kalian untuk self introduction. Tadi kan Galang ya. Sekarang ditulis nama masing-masing. For example, name. Ditulis namanya siapa, kemudian asalnya dari mana. Jadi nama masing-masing. For example, Eva ya, berarti ditulis namanya name Eva Aniro. Origin dari mana Eva ditulis ya. Oke. Silahkan ditulis. Jadi identitas masing-masing, bukan Galang lagi. Oke. Ditulisnya nama masing-masing, umurnya, umur kalian, kemudian sekolah kalian di mana, punya berapa saudara. Okay, siblings. Do we have one siblings? Okay, one brother. Okay, good. Continue. Lanjutin lagi. Ya, diisi identitas masing-masing. Oke, umurnya berapa? Oke, ya, 11. Ya, 11 berarti. 11 tulis. Oke, lanjut. Continue on your school. Oke, school sudah. Siblings. Oke, punya saudara berapa? Ditulis. If you have 2 sister or brother, if you have 2 sister and 1 brother, jadi punya kakak laki-laki 1, jadi saudaranya tuh ada laki-laki 1, perempuannya 1, berarti ditulisnya 1 sister and 1 brother, karena kakaknya ada yang laki-laki, ada yang perempuan. Jadi entah kakak, entah adik, semuanya itu siblings ya, saudara. Oke, And what is your hobby? Tuh hobinya diisi. Oke, punya berapa siblingsnya? Two sister, perempuan semua. Oke. Sama kayak Galang. Oke, ya Bekasi 11, betul. How many siblings do you have? Punya berapa siblingsnya? One brother. Oke, punya satu aja ya laki-laki. Oke. Oke, good. Finish or not yet?
Not yet.
Cooking, oke, pasti enak. And what is your hobby, Zahra? Sport, oke, suka olahraga. What is your name, Eva? Eva in Aniro, listening Arabic song. Good. Singing sekalian, singing Arabic song. Coba, Sakira. School, okay, 11 years old, good. Okay. Finish? Finish. Now open your worksheet 1.5. Buka worksheetnya halaman worksheet 1.4. Nah, yang seperti ini. Ada? Okay. After you write on the chart, setelah kalian menuliskan di bagan yang tadi, and now you must write on the paragraph. Jadi setelah itu kalian menuliskannya dalam bentuk paragraf. Tadi kan cuma nama ditulis, namanya misalnya Zahra, umur 11. Nah, sekarang dibuat paragraf. I have the format of paragraph. You can fill the blank. For example, my name is Zahra. I go to. Nah, nama sekolahnya apa? Oke. Do you understand? Aha? Yes. Oke, jadi ditulis kayak tadi. Cuma sekarang bentuknya paragraf. Kalau nggak muat boleh di bawahnya. Namanya panjang ya. If you only have one sister or one brother, jadi di belakangnya tidak usah ditambahkan s. You don't add the s letter. Jadi di akhirnya itu nggak usah dikasih s. Dikasih s itu if your siblings more than one. Jadi ketika saudaranya lebih dari satu, baru di akhirnya ditambahkan s. You're adding the s letter. Jadi misalnya two sisters ada s-nya, two brothers ada s-nya. Misal cuma satu berarti tidak usah. Sister, one brother. Do you understand? Yes. Okay? Good. Okay.
Miss, I like itu bisa makanan nggak?
Iya. I like hobi bisa. I like watching movie. I like cooking. I like itu sama dengan hobi ya. I like jogging in the morning. Boleh. Swimming. Okay, good. Okay, one brother ya, without S. Okay, if only one brother without S, jadi tidak usah ditambahkan S di belakangnya. Okay, your full name Dewi, Dewi Humairah, atasnya. Okay, Nadia. I like reading. Reading apa, Nay? Reading komik, reading novel, reading banyak ya. Baca apa nih? Lebih spesifik. I like reading novel. I like reading komik. Okay, one brother and one sister. Good. Finish? Finish. Okay. Now you must practice on your class. Jadi sekarang praktis atau praktek dibaca sendiri-sendiri dulu sebelum maju ya. Kayak my name is Zahra. I go to SMP Plus Al Anwaria. I come from Cirebon. I live on Jalan. Ya, dibaca sendiri sok masing-masing. After that, you must practice on front of the class. Okay. I like cooking ya. I like cooking. I have one brother. Okay. Cooking. I have one sister and one brother. Okay, now you must practice in front of the class. Anyone to try? Ada yang mau coba? Raise your hand. You? Nai? Okay, please. Ya, di situ. Enggak kena. Boleh. Speak loudly. Ya, my name is Naila.
Hello, my name is Naila Lailatul Sharifah. I go to SMP Plus Al Anwaria School. I come from Bekasi City. I live on Jalan Kembang Sari. I like watching cartoon and I have 2 sisters.
Okay, good Naila. Give applause for Naila. Please sit down. Anyone to try again? Ada yang mau coba lagi? Okay, Nur Laila, good. Come forward please. Tolong maju ke depan. Speak loudly ya, suaranya lebih kencang.
Hello, my name is Nur Laila. I go to SMP Plus Al Anwaria School. I come from Indramayu. I live on Jalan Dukuh. I like cooking. I have one sister.
Okay, good. Nail. Nur Laila, thank you. Okay, once more, satu lagi. Iya, okay, Angel ya. Okay, Angel, come forward please. Hello, my name is Angel, Eva Angelina. Okay.
Hello, my name is Eva Angelina. I go to SMP Al Anwaria School. I come from Indramayu. I live on Jalan Bongas. I like watching movie. I have one young brother.
Okay, thank you, Angel. Nah, next, I have the second audio. Ada satu audio lagi, ya. You can open the comic strip 1.2, ya. You can check comic strip 1.2. Dibuka comic stripnya 1.2. Oke, nanti saya putarkan audionya. You must listen the dialogue of Andre and Galang. Jadi sekarang yang ngomong bukan cuma Galang, tapi ada Andre, ya.
Section. Listen to audio 1.2. At recess. Part 1.
Hi, are you enjoying the first day of school? Well, yes, it's great. By the way, I'm Galang. What's your name? I'm Andre. Where do you live? I live on Jalan Begawan. How old are you? I'm 13 years old. Oh, I'm 13 years old too.
Part 2.
Part 2.
You
Open
know,
the next.
I like school, but I can't wait to go home. Why? I want to go fishing. It's my hobby. That sounds fun. What's your hobby, Andre? I like mobile gaming. Oh, I like it too. Maybe we can play together. Sure. Can I come to your house? Yes. We can play with my siblings too. How many sisters or brothers do you have? I have one sister and one brother.
Oke. Ya, tadi percakapan the dialogue of Andre and Galang. Comic strip have two part 1 and part 2. Ada dua sesi ya, ada part 1 dan part 2. Nah. Oke. Now, I will play again, but you must read the comic strip. Ya. Jadi saya mau putar lagi audionya sambil kalian baca comic stripnya, ya. Dari part 1 and then continue on the part 2. Okay, part 1 first and then continue on the part 2. Okay.
Section. Listen to audio 1.2. At recess. Part 1.
Hi, are you enjoying the first day of school? Well, yes, it's great. By the way, I'm Galang. What's your name? I'm Andre. Where do you live? I live on Jalan Begawan. How old are you? I'm 13 years old. Oh, I'm 13 years old too.
Part 2.
Part 2.
You know, I like school, but I can't wait to go home.
Part 2.
Why? I want to go fishing. It's my hobby. That sounds fun. What's your hobby, Andre? I like mobile gaming. Oh, I like it too. Maybe we can play together. Sure. Can I come to your house? Yes, we can play with my siblings too. How many sisters or brothers do you have? I have one sister and one brother.
Okay. Okay, after listen the comic strip part 1 and part 2, now you must complete the mind map about Andre. Ya, tadi Galang sekarang tentang informasi atau identitas dari siapa? Andre. And then you open the worksheet 1.7. Nah, yang ini. Yang Andre-nya begini. Okay. Dilengkapi. Di tadi namanya siapa? Andre. Alamatnya di mana? Siblingsnya punya berapa? Age-nya berapa? How old Andre? And then what is the Andre's hobby? You can find the answer on the comic strip. Ya, jadi jawabannya ada di comic strip sama audio yang tadi diputar. You can discuss with your friend on your group. Jadi bisa berdiskusi dengan teman sekelompok. Ya, boleh berdiskusi. Oke, ya lihat jawabannya ada di comic strip yang tadi diputar audionya. Jadi semuanya tentang identitasnya Andre, ya, bukan Galang lagi. Oke. Address-nya. Yes. What is the Andre's hobby? Hobinya apa ya tadi Andre?
Mobile gaming.
Oke, mobile gaming. Apa tuh mobile gaming?
Mobile Legends.
Game online ya, bisa game online ya, itu salah satunya. Contohnya, contoh dari gamenya. Finish or not yet? Finish. Ada yang belum juga? Lanjutkan. Okay, what the name? Siapa tadi namanya? Temannya Galang? Andre. Andre, alamatnya di mana? Okay, how many siblings that Andre have? Berapa? Oke, berarti satu saudara laki-laki dan satu saudara perempuan. And how old of Andre? Berapa umurnya? 13 years old. And what is the Andre's hobby? Mobile gaming. Okay. Now open. Nah, session 5, language focus. Ya. You can open the tabel 1.1. Kalian buka di tabel 1.1. Nah, kita mau belajar language focus. Jadi, bahasa yang atau kalimat, pertanyaan dan respon yang sering digunakan pada saat perkenalan. Nah, this is the question. If we want ask the name, ketika kita mau bertanya tentang nama, you can use the sentence, what is your name? This is the question, what is your name? And the response is, you can use my name atau I am, gitu ya. Jadi bisa menggunakan my name or I am. And then if we want ask about the origin, you can use the question, where are you from? And you can use also, where do you come from? Jadi bisa pilih, bisa menggunakan where do you from, bisa juga menggunakan where do you come from. Oke, next, if we want to ask the address, ketika kita mau bertanya tentang alamatnya, we can use the sentence, where do you okay, where do you live? And the response is, I live on jalan. Gitu. Tinggal diisi aja, jalan apa? Jalan Suropati, jalan Nangka, ya. And then age. The question to ask the age is, how old you are? How old you are? And the response is, I am, diisi. Misalnya berapa tuh umurnya? 13 or 11 or 12? I am 12 years old, for example. Next, about hobby. What is your hobby? Or what do you like doing in your free time? Jadi bisa menggunakan bertanya dengan apa hobi kamu? What is your hobby? Bisa juga what do you like doing in your free time? Jadi apa yang biasa kamu lakukan di waktu luang kamu? Nah, the response is, my hobby is, tinggal diisi tuh hobinya apa. For example, my hobby is watching movie or watching television, ya, watching television. Atau juga bisa menggunakan I like, ya, sama aja. I like jogging in the morning. Okay. Next, siblings. The question to ask sibling is, how many siblings do you have? Punya berapa? Kamu punya berapa saudara? Gitu ya. And you can use also, kalian bisa juga menggunakan kalimat yang lain. For example, how many brother and sister do you have? Berapa saudara laki-laki dan saudara perempuan yang kamu punya? Gitu ya. And then the response is, I have, tinggal diisi. Misalnya siblingsnya, saudaranya punya 2, berarti 2. I have 2 siblings. Atau lebih detail lagi, jadi dirinci, misalnya I have 2 brother and I have 1 sister, for example. Atau anak satu-satunya, nggak punya kakak, nggak punya adik, jadi ditulisnya I am only child, saya anak tunggal. Jadi nggak punya kakak, nggak punya adik, jadi anak tunggal, tuh ya. Nah, now you must practice on your friend. Jadi partner, berdua, saling kenalan. What is your name? For example, Eva asked to Shakira. For example, Evanya nanya ke Shakira, what is your name? Nanti Shakira jawab, lihat dari sini. My name is Najwa Shakira. Next, tanya lagi Evanya, where do you from? Atau where do you come from? Najwanya jawab lagi, I am from, gitu. So, sekarang latihan with your partner, jadi berdua, saling bertanya. Ya. Oke. Silahkan berdua with your partner. Okay, you can practice. Okay, you can practice the dialogue of self introduction. How old old you are? Berapa umurmu? Nah, Dewinya jawab. Oke. Jadi nggak usah dibaca semua, pilih salah satu aja ya. Karena ini ada dua nih. Oh, saya mau pakainya what is your hobby aja lah, jangan what do you like doing in the free time. Boleh, jadi pilih salah satu saja. Oke, ini sudah bisa ya jadi bertanya. Oke, now you must see the worksheet 1.8 ya, yang tabel tentang identity. Student 1, Student 2, Student 3, Student 4, and Student 5. And your task is, dan tugas kalian adalah you must roll on the classroom. Jadi bertanya ke teman-temannya. For example, ya. What is your name? Siti Nuraisa, and you write in student 1. Jadi cari 5 teman kalian, cari informasinya, namanya siapa, umurnya berapa, saudaranya berapa, hobinya apa. Nanti setelah ditanya jawab, lalu kalian tulis. For example, what is your name? Siti Nuraisa. Nah, tulis. But you must write on this table, ya. Kelas yang paling terakhir. Nah, but before you write your friend names, you must write your identities first. Jadi ditulis dulu namanya, nama lengkap kalian, dan kelasnya, ya. 7th grade and your name. Namanya siapa? Misalnya Siti Nuraisa, kelasnya kelas 7. Oke, di atas di sini, ini buat teman-temannya, ya. Jadi nama kalian cuma ada di atas, ya. Di tabel ini nama teman-teman. Nanti kalian keliling cari temannya, terserah mau siapa aja. You ask their full name, nama lengkap, nickname, origin, address, age, hobby, and siblings. Gitu. Oke, sudah ditulis identitasnya. Oke, and then you must find your friend. Ayo cari temennya buat nama. Cari sambil keliling boleh. Teman sekelompok dulu, setelah itu boleh cari di lain. Move, pindah-pindah. Yuk, Wi, tanya ke kelompok sana, Wi. Yuk. Move.
What's your name?
Okay, you can move us to other group. Jadi bertanya ke grup lain. Yo. Nickname, nama panggilan. Nama panggilan. Okay.
My hobby. My hobby is reading manual.
What's your hobby?
My hobby is
Reading? Reading book. Okay. Good.
Buku apa?
buku pelajaran.
Good job.
Yeah.
Okay. You can move Okay, go. You can move to us other group. Jadi boleh bertanya ke grup lain.
Okay, Naila, thank you. Hey, what's your name? Mama ini ya?
Ya, nama lengkap, full name and nickname,
What's your name?
nama panggilan.
What's your name?
Sport, oke, good. Olahraga, suka olahraga ya. Atau bisa juga olahraga ditulis dengan exercise.
What's your name? What's your nickname?
Zahra.
Jalan klik. Ya, bukan. What's your age?
What's your age? Age-nya berapa?
11.
11.
I'm 11 years old.
Okay, you write on the table. Ya, jadi namanya full name and nickname. Nama lengkap dan nama panggilan ya. Oke. Two sister, good.
What is your nickname?
Thank you, Zara.
Where is your origin? Indramayu. Where do you
Indramayu.
What's your favorite?
Reading book, baca buku.
What is your hobby, Zahra? Sport.
Sport.
I'm from Indramayu.
How siblings do you have? Address. One brother. One brother.
Brother, only one brother. Zahra, cuma satu. Oke.
Thank you, Zahra.
My name is Dewi Humayma.
Where is your origin?
Oke, finish. Sudah dapat berapa? Oke, get 3 student. You can find your friend. Cari lagi temannya.
Cirebon. What's your name? What's your name? My name is Shakira. I live on I
12 years old.
Oke, good. Jalan Tambun. Hey, finish. Oke.
Ya, kamu apa hobinya? Hobi
Cooking. Hobinya cooking, masak.
Iya.
Ya, saudaranya berapa? Siblings.
Indramayu.
Next name.
Names. Nama panggilan?
Dewi.
Dewi. Oke, you can write.
Hobinya apa deh?
Oh iya bener. Iya bener.
Hobi
My hobby are reading novel and watching movies.
Oke, 2 hobi ya. Punya 2 hobi.
My hobby
Reading novel.
reading novel and watching movies.
Okay, finish or not yet? Okay. Ya, shopping. Berbelanja. Cewek banget. Siblings. How many siblings do you have? Berapa? Okay, how many siblings do you have? Punya berapa?
What's your name?
Angel. Okay, nickname. Okay. Okay, finish. Nazma. Okay, finish or not yet? Sudah apa belum? Okay. Berapa lagi? One more.
My name is What's your nickname? My nickname is
Eva.
What's your name? Bekas.
And then address. What is your address, Eva?
What's your name? Tambul.
Okay.
What's your
11 years old.
address? Cibaya. Egg. 11 years on.
11 years old.
11 years old.
Okay.
My hobby is cooking.
Cooking. Good.
This is my sibling. One brother.
Okay. If you finish your task, you must come back to your chair. Duduk kembali di tempatnya masing-masing. Okay, I can check. Okay, good. Okay. Sudah semua? Berapa lagi? Once more. Ya. Dapat siapa aja temennya? Can I see? Coba saya lihat. Siapa aja? Ainaya, Eva, Aziza, Dewi, Najifa, Siti Nuraisha. Oke. Finish? Okay, good. Ya. Address. Oke. Why naik? Kenapa? Any question? Ada yang mau ditanyakan?
I'm finished, Miss.
Oke. Naila. Okay, you get for 5 student ya?
Yes.
Nadia, Siti Nuraisha, Dewi Humaira, Zahra, Nur Laila. Oke, good.
Thank you, Miss.
You are welcome. Okay. Now you must check on the fill in the blanks with your personal information. Ada di situ? Yang kayak gini. Ya, LKPD, lembar kerja peserta didik. Okay. You can write your full name, nickname, jadi nama masing-masing. Tadi nama teman-teman ya. Sekarang nama masing-masing. Nama lengkap, nama panggilan. Ya? Ya, your identities. Jadi nama masing-masing, identitas masing-masing ya. Nama lengkap, kemudian nickname, origin, age, siblings, and address. Hobi and address, sorry. Ya, origin tuh lebih simple. Address on jalan, for example on jalan Suropati number 5. 11 years old, Nadia. Okay, Nadia. Where do you come from, Nadia? Subang. Good job. Okay, after that you must write on the simple paragraph. Jadi dituliskan lagi dalam berbentuk paragraf simple kayak pas tadi belajar di awal yang ya galang. Oke, jadi hello atau I will introduce myself. My name is. Ya, jadi dibentuk dalam paragraf. Ya, bisa lihat di worksheet 1.4. Setelah diisi tadi nama, hobi, alamat, umur, kemudian asalnya, sekolah. After that, you must write on the simple paragraph. Jadi ditulis lagi dalam bentuk paragraf yang sederhana. You can see the example on the worksheet 1.4. Ada contohnya di worksheet 1.4. Satu titik 4. Nah, okay, you are welcome. Finish, Nay?
Yes, Miss.
Okay. Finish, Eva? Okay, good. Oke, coba dicek. Can you read it, Nay?
Speak loudly.
Iya.
Hello, my name is Naila Lailatul Sharifah. You can call me Naila. I'm from Bekasi City. I live on Jalan Jati Kramat. I'm 11 years old. I have 2 sisters and my hobby is reading.
Okay, good. Finish. Okay, now this is the last material in this day, in this session, and we will conclude, or we must resume what the information that we have on this learning. Jadi pelajaran apa sih yang kita dapat di hari ini? Kita belajar apa aja? Perkenalan. Apa aja perkenalan tuh, informasinya apa saja yang disampaikan? Full name, nickname, origin, oke. Hobi. Oke, paham semua ya? Oke. And on the next week, we will learn about my favorite food and my favorite drink. Jadi di minggu depan kita mau belajar tentang apa tadi? Oke, favorite food and favorite drink. Oke, apa tuh favorite food? Makanan? Dan minuman? Iya, betul. And then I want to know, saya mau tahu refleksi kalian atau perasaan kalian setelah belajar bahasa Inggris bersama saya dengan materi self introduction. Ada yang mau menyampaikan? Oke, Hilwa first. I'm so happy, thank you Hilwa. Anyone?
Dapat banyak lebih tahu
Oke. Lebih tahu tentang perkenalan diri. Oke, anyone? Ada lagi? Cukup? Senang hari ini? Oke. Bahasa Inggris mudah apa susah? Mudah ya, gampang. Oke. Oke. Before thank you for your nice attention. I think enough ya. But Aziza, please lead the pray, ya, berdoa sebelum pulang. Ya, before go home, let's pray.
Let's pray together. Begin.
Okay, thank you and see you on the next week. Okay, see you. Okay, you are welcome. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.